Today we're going to look at taking the front cover, in fact the whole case, of the Daikin Zena split system air conditioner. First thing to do before we start is open the front cover. And we're going to press this panel button for 2 seconds. Then the front cover is going to open. So at the moment power is still on. Okay, front cover is open, so now we can go and turn off the power. So the connector's pulled out. You need to pull it out of this little clip as well. There you go. So it's totally free. Not inside here. Not connected here. Next step is to move the louver door. You can do it by hand, just move it slowly. You want to pull this as far open as you can. Okay, so it's open. What we're looking for next are these two covers. One here, one here. And we can just use a screwdriver. Kind of push them up. Then you can get your fingers in there and lift it off. And screws underneath. Two of them. There we go. Okay, so we can see that two screws are removed. Now this is where we need the big ladder. These clips on here, the other one hidden here. We need to just lever them open. You can hear it go click. There you go. 2, 3. Third one's a bit hidden. Okay, smaller screwdriver. So you can see when I did the third one, it came forward. Now we can lift the whole thing off. So there we go. Front cover off. And now we can look at what I really came here for, which is to look at that great big hole that my installers put in the plasterboard, which I'm going to fill with spray foam.